Oh, hello, good morning everyone. I didn't notice you here. I'm reading a book. It is a very interesting story, my favorite book. What is your favorite book? The thing I like most about being at home is that I can read a lot. I love reading, and you? Yesterday was the workbook day, so maybe you can comment your favorite book. Well, I'm not talking about books today. How are you? That's the important thing. It's hard to be stuck at home, isn't it? But I know you're doing your best. Look, my first year as a teacher in Salesianos, and all this happens. I miss my students so much. Today is Friday, and that's why I am speaking English, the 24th of April, and I want to say happy birthday to Antia and Leah of second grade, because they are having their birthdays this weekend. Congratulations! And finally, I want to share with you a song that always makes me happy. It always cheers me up. It's from a film that I loved so much when I was a child, so I hope you like it. Lots of kisses and see you soon!